In this video, I will demonstrate the new sectioning functions in Creo 2.0. If you look at the View Manager, as we all know, the sectioning tab is where you create sections. If you click on New, you'll notice that you have the planer, which is what we normally use when creating sections. We pick a datum plane. But now you also have X direction, Y direction, Z direction. And of course you can also do offset and zone. The difference with sectioning in Creo 2.0 is that you no longer need to predefine a datum plane in order to create a section. So let's look here under our View tab, and let's go under Section here. As you can see, this is a more direct route to get to the sectioning tool. If we click on X direction, what happened is that we have a cross section created without actually picking a datum plane, and it's going along the X direction on the coordinate system. You can dynamically drag this cross section easily. You can also choose to change from the X to the Y, which again makes sense if we actually move this up some, or you can change to the Z direction. In the UI, the ribbon UI, you can do things like turn on your cross hatching. You can color the section a specific color if you choose, or you can use the model color. And one of the new things that I like is you can click on this 2D section viewer, which is here, and what this does, it will automatically or dynamically update as you move the dragger on your section tool. So it essentially shows you a 2D representation of what this section looks like. Again, these are all enhancements in Creo 2.0 when compared to Creo 1.0. Let's click on this to get rid of that. Let's go ahead and commit to this particular cross section. Another thing you'll notice is on the model tree, there's a new area called sections, and this is where sections live now. If you right click on this, you can deactivate it, as you see here. If you right click on this, you can activate it. You can right click on it to show section. If you deactivate it but leave the show section toggled, then you'll see the 2D cross section as you spin the model around. This can be useful whenever you have multiple cross sections and you want to see more than one at a time. You also notice that the icon here is dynamic, so you'll see the cross hatching there. If we turn off cross hatching, the button or the icon also gets rid of it. So this is the way to create sections in Creo 2.0. I think that it's a much easier approach than the old menu manager and the old datum plane driven method. I will create another video showcasing some of the advantages in the assembly when it comes to the new cross sections. That's it.